Hey everyone! Before we dive into the amazing world of street style, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share your own fashion vibes in the comments. Let's get into it. Street style is the ultimate way to show off your unique look. It's all about taking fashion from the runways to your everyday life. This season, we're seeing some super cool trends from cities all around the world. From oversized hoodies paired with sleek sneakers, to those eye-catching graphic tees. Fashion is all about comfort mixed with a bit of edge. It's your chance to mix things up and show the world who you are. And it's not just about what brands you wear, it's how you wear them. Bright colors and wild patterns are everywhere, turning sidewalks into runways. Picture yourself in a neon green jacket or pants with a funky print. It's not just about getting noticed, it's about feeling great in what you wear. Plus, you can find awesome pieces without breaking the bank. Thrifting and choosing eco-friendly brands are super popular, showing you can be stylish and make a positive impact. Let's not forget the power of accessories. They're the secret weapon in your style arsenal. Oversized bags, bold jewelry, and sneakers that stand out can elevate any look. It's these little touches that let your personality shine through. But street style isn't just about following the latest trends, it's about setting them. It's about taking risks and getting creative with your clothes. Ever thought about layering different pieces in a way no one else has? Or mixing vintage finds with new buys? That's the spirit of street style. It's a playground for your personal style where you can experiment and find what makes you feel awesome. One of the coolest things about street style is how it brings people together. It's like a community where everyone can express themselves and appreciate others' styles. Whether you're into minimalistic looks or all about making bold statements, there's room for everyone. It's about celebrating diversity and learning from each other. As we wrap up, remember that street style is more than just clothing. It's a way of life. It's about expressing your identity and owning it with confidence. What's your signature look? How do you stand out from the crowd? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep inspiring each other. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe for more fashion insights. Until next time, keep rocking your style and make every street your runway.